The mission is important no matter where you're at, because you have to actually believe it. So the first thing is that I actually believe that. Like, it's really important to have a community, more than just housing, but like actually a community where you feel safe. Finding an affordable place to live in this area can present challenges. So I believe that that's a good vision for us to consider, like the future. Making sure that the voices of people with lived experience are being heard, but not just heard, but having decision making. So that's something that we get feedback from our community members and our local organizations when we're making our programs and documents and things like that. Being innovative, you're being creative, you're open-minded. You present with the challenge and you're open-minded. You create a culture of curiosity, of resilience. You're really looking at solutions that maybe you didn't look at before. Well, I feel like that could be my middle name, flexibility. So flexibility is just every day there's a different challenge, right? And it's really just about pivoting into that and learning about that, getting insight from others. Well, trust is really important. It's not like a concept, it's a daily practice. Every day we need to live out, and I make sure that I do that by communicating very clearly, making sure that what I'm saying is accurate information, making sure that I am delivering on my commitments and deadlines or any information, and also making sure that we're thinking about privacy and confidentiality. It isn't just a house, it is a community. And so all those things, like being innovative and finding ways to make all of that work, being flexible by hearing what's important to that person, and also having an equity lens into it too. All those together make that thriving community and the mission. And that's what it means to me. Like it's a piece of a puzzle, and we need all of it.